Hi friends, it's Mrs. Awinga, and before our warm-up today, I just want to sing our little welcome song together. So I'll start it through once, and then you can join me when you remember how it goes, okay? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as loud as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good job. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as soft as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice job. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as high as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say welcome as low as we can. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nice job. Welcome, friends. We're going to do our warm-up today for our skills. And for our warm-up, we've been practicing taking two syllables, putting them together to make or blend one word. And then the other day I showed you how you can take one word and put together two sounds to make it. So we're going to start with some syllables and then we're going to do some sounds. Okay, are you ready? So remember, when Mrs. O says mirror, what do? You do exactly what I'm doing. So mirror. Very good. Bath, tub. Bathtub. You got it. That made the word bathtub. Yeah, all right, let's do some more. Pencil. Pencil. Good job. On the next two, I'm going to give you time to tell me what word it makes when you blend it together. Mirror. Wind. E. Wind. E. Windy. Yes. Okay. Sister. Yep. Sister. Very good. You guys have gotten really good at that. Okay, now we're going to do some sounds to make a word. Mirror. Very good. Sh. E. She. Yes. The sound sh and the sound e blended together made the word she. Let's try another one. Mirror. Sh. Ooh. Shoe. Very good. Now I'm going to give you a chance to tell me what you hear before I say it, okay? We're going to put the sounds together and tell me what word it makes before I say it. Are you ready? Okay. Mirror. Z. Ooh. Zoo. Very good. You got it. Okay, last one. Off. Off. Very good. We turned the light off. You guys got it. Very good job on our warm-up.